Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com.
A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1 followed by the word Spot and Media.
Deputy Commissioner of Police George Quallo is to become the new Commissioner of Police.
Mr. Quallo this afternoon confirmed to TVJ News that his appointment is effective April 18. Mr. Quallo was promoted to the rank of Deputy Commissioner in December 2015.
TVJ's Vashon Brown spoke with the new Commissioner and sought reactions from other members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Up to late Monday afternoon, it was mere speculation. George Quallo was selected as the new police commissioner, but by Monday evening, confirmation from the man who is to become the island's next top cop.
I can confirm that I've been appointed Commissioner of Police with effect from the 18th of this month.
He says he's humbled by the appointment. He says he has been given the job his best over the years. What's your plan going forward?
The plans will unfold in a little while because I still have some time yet before the appointment takes effect. So if you bear with me, in a little while, I'll share my plans with you.
Mr. Quallo adds that he's been getting calls from a number of people since his appointment was made public.
Include former commissioners, other senior officers, present and past, from right across the length and breadth of this country, within the organization and outside, and people have been saying that they are fully on board. And so I am optimistic that we will get this crime monster under control.
Novelette Grant was appointed to act as police commissioner for 90 days. Her 90-day appointment expired on Friday. She had confirmed to her news center that she was asked to stay on until the Police Service Commission decided who will head the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Now, George Quallo joined the Jamaica Constabulary Force in November 1976. That's close to 41 years ago. His colleagues say his experience makes him the best man for the job. They say he's an excellent leader and a good motivator.
When I speak of motivation, Mr. Quallo has the policing machinery, right? Even when you go on the road on a day-to-day basis, and a police officer is on the road and see Mr. Quallo and him stop and give them a pep talk, I can't tell you that much. It seems as if they don't want to stop work for the rest of the evening, just by a speech from him only.
SSP Steve McGregor works with Mr. Quallo at the Territorial Services Branch. He's also thought that one of the deputies would have been most suitable.
I have been associated with Mr. Quallo for most of my service, but in the managerial aspect of it, started when I was the commanding officer for West Kingston Division, and he would have been the Era officer, Era 4 officer. During that period between 2013 to 2014, Era 4 was the flagship bearer for the JCF. We record the lowest level of crimes in the country during that period right there, and we had a real stalwart team with him as the leader.
ACP Devon Watkins, who heads the Era 4 Police, says he wants to thank the Acting Police Commissioner Novelette Grant for her work.
I think she has contributed in reshaping and laying a foundation for the now appointed Commissioner, Mr. George Quallo, an individual that I've known and interacted for many years, and I've watched his rise now to the top. I think that he will bring his personality to the job.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.